Good morning! It's a new day and I have found my own new means of transportation. My friend Damien came over to the boat to teach us how to use them. And I understood everything he was saying. I knew I was going to be a pro at this. I was glad I had friends with thumbs who could help me get it in the water. Okay, I'm ready. I was waiting so patiently, and then Mom cut in line and got on the board and just left. How ridiculous is that? She wasn't even doing it right. You're supposed to stand up. Hello, people. I brought these things over for me. And I'm waiting. Yeah, she may think she's cool, but that's what you get for showing off. I knew if I told Dad that I wanted to go, he would get me on there. But then he took it for himself. What a disappointment. Finally, it was my turn. I knew I would be a pro. It's quite simple. The only thing you have to do is stand tall, stick your tongue out, and flap your ears. Oh no! Mom! This water is pretty chilly. Now this is my kind of dog walk. See you later, people.